So my name is Vinman. My company is called Vinman Ltd, and we do vineyard orchard development, kiwi fruit development all throughout Hawke's Bay. We do everything from the ground preparation all the way up to trellis installation and everything in between. I guess clients asking me questions, things that I didn't necessarily have equipment to do, asking if I could do that for them as a job. And yeah, I found Always Hire that way and started small, hiring the odd ripper here and there to where we are now with a bunch of diggers. A lot of what we do is driving posts into the ground, in hard ground, soft ground. Some of the posts we do, we have to get 2 to 4 meters into the ground, and in some areas in Hawke's Bay that could be quite problematic. And we mainly use plate compactors on excavators to drive them, but sometimes you just need a little bit of extra. And Simon actually rang me one day and said there's this new product and if I wanted to try, and absolutely I said, and yeah, we went from there. Took a little getting used to. Obviously working with something that heavy, that high above your head, we used it to drive big shelter belt poles in, so it's sort of 8-meter pole, so it's sitting way above your head. Took a little bit of getting used to, but once we got the hang of it, it worked really, really well. And since then we've used it for deadman as well, just kiwi fruit deadman, and it did the job really well. Always Hire mainly because of the service. I get great service here, obviously quality equipment, but I guess anybody can buy quality equipment, but what I get here that stands out above everyone else is great service. Quite often there's been times where you may not have necessarily had what I needed, but ended up buying it anyway, and so that I guess comes back to the service. Quality service, going out of your way to get stuff that help me out, and in turn I can help my clients. So it helps me get the job done that way. I'd recommend Always Hire to anyone, just purely because of the quality equipment and the good service. I guess for me mainly it's more thank you than anything else. I guess I'm a client here, and in return you guys have always been good to me. It's sort of a relationship that we've developed over the years, and it's something that I'd like to keep going because it helps me out a lot and helps my cash flow as well. I don't have to buy everything myself.